Good evening, welcome to Thursday. I am cooking dinner once again. I've got stuff being melted there, I've got chicken being cooked in there, broccoli over there, 2 minutes to go on that stuff. So I'm making orange chicken, and this is the broth, not broth, sauce. Is it sauce? I don't know. Anyway. Yeah, so really cool video I saw on Smarter Every Day today, talking about bird flight. Now, the guy, Destin, went down to the rainforest. I don't know where. I'll have to look it up. Anyway, to look at a video high-speed, with a high-speed camera, macaws flying. And he learned something and then passed it on, and then I learned something about bird flight. Apparently, the birds can actually twist their feathers. Well, some of them, not all of them. And so, like, on the downstroke, their feathers are all, like, closed up like this. But then on the upstroke, they spread them apart, and they also, like, I can't do it with my finger, but they basically twist their feather like that, so that the air can go, like, back through the wing, so that there's less drag as they're, flapping up their wings. Really wild. So I'll put a link to, right up there, to his playlist showing this whole bird flight thing, because it's really cool. And I mean, being an airplane geek like I am, it was obviously fascinating and awesome to watch. But even if you're not an airplane geek, if you like birds or like learning stuff, you should definitely check out the playlist. It's pretty cool. What else? I released a video of the Pelican for Halo 3. Or from Halo 3 for X-Plane 10. The other day I just released my Falcon for X-Plane 10, and I remembered that I had been wanting to update the Pelican, because I made the Pelican from Halo 2 for X-Plane like years and years ago, and my buddy sent me the model for the Halo 3 Pelican, and it's just been sitting on my computer, and I really wanted to do something with it, so I finally put it together. Made a short video showing it flying around. I have a lot of like tuning and cleaning up to do on it, but it's pretty cool. So I'll put that link. Actually, I don't know. It'll be on here somewhere. Maybe like right here. So yeah, click here. Actually, I'll put it in two places. Click here or there to see the Pelican. And now the chicken's done. So I have to take it out and put the goop on it. So have a good Thursday. See you Friday.